Alright, so part 2 of my NFT nightmare, which is still going on. So, where it stands now, I wanted to buy Ethereum, ETH. So I wanted to buy Ethereum. So I went to an exchange. So imagine, like you go to an airport and they have those money exchanges. So I'm in New York, so imagine you only have two. I only have two exchanges, Coinbase and Gemini. So I signed up for both, messed up on my verification on Coinbase. So then it just says that I can't buy it. Reached out to customer service. They say, oh, it looks like on your account you're unable to buy Bitcoin. We'll figure it out. We'll get back to you. So it's been about 2.5 weeks, 3 weeks now. So Coinbase, nothing so far. I connected my bank account. I connected everything to it, and holding pattern. So I signed up for Gemini. I thought everything was going good. I was able to buy about $100 worth of Ethereum, which isn't really that much because you do pay fees and stuff like that, about $7 or $8 to Gemini and all of that. So I bought some on Gemini, so I thought I was good to go. But then I can't do anything with it. I can't withdraw it because when I hit withdraw, it says your account isn't verified. Please check back later. And it said that for about 3 weeks now. So whenever I made the last video. So I have Ethereum tied up in Gemini, but I can't access it. I can't get it out. I can't move it. So essentially it's like I signed up with them, and it just feels like they just steal your money and then just leave your account unverified so that you can't move it. So I'm really not happy with that situation. Like, you shouldn't be able to exchange it, or you shouldn't be able to buy Ether if they don't let you do anything with it. Because at least I feel like I can't just close my account or do anything because this money is tied up in Gemini. So both of the exchanges right now are not allowing me to do anything, to buy any Ether. So therefore I can't pay for my gas fees on Opensea. So I can't pay to have my digital art, my digital NFT put on Opensea, so put on the market. So I just can't do anything. I reached out to customer service for both. At least Coinbase customer service has responded to me like a person. I've heard nothing from Gemini, and I've sent them 2 emails, and I've heard nothing. So I don't know if I'll ever get verified, but I guess the next video will be when I get verified, because right now I can't do anything. And especially being in New York is terrible. It might be a lot easier if you're somewhere else, if you're in another state where you have other options. Unfortunately, I have no other options because I'm in New York. So and I've already made a new NFT Instagram account. I already have something called crypto snails. So I love drawing snails. So my original NFT art ideas, which I will also post, I'm also going to have this thing called crypto snails. And they're going to be all these little snails that I draw. And I'm really excited about it because I love drawing snails. And I just sketch them all the time. So I have all of these snails that I can't wait to sort of put together and put out there. And also post on my regular Instagram too, because I just love drawing snails. I made shirts. I have shirts on TeePublic with my crypto snails logo. I've already worked out the logo. And I'm not done with the first series. The first series are almost done, but I've also been looking into hot wallets. A wallet is where you can store your Ethereum. So I wish that I could bring the Ethereum from Gemini into my hot wallet, because then, like, I would have it. Then I can move it, but it won't let me do that. So I would say if you're gonna get into it, Google the best hot wallet. And choose a hot wallet. So you want to choose Coinbase, Gemini, or one of the other ones. Maybe just try Coinbase, because right now I'm not happy with Gemini. But get verified, do all that stuff, and then choose a hot wallet, or like a mobile wallet, or however you want to do it. Mobile, it can be on the computer, but it's just a place to hold your Ethereum if you want to use it for Opensea, things like that. Because then at least like you have it. And there's also like cold wallets, which are like little, like physical, kind of like, they look like thumb drives. So there's cold storage, but I haven't figured out any of that out yet. All I know is that a wallet is a good place to kind of hold your Ethereum, and I don't have that much. I'm not gonna have that much, so I think that's fine for my uses. I thought I was good with tech stuff and with computer stuff. Apparently I'm terrible, because I cannot figure it out as of right now, but baby steps, baby steps. So I'm just holding right now. I don't know what I'm going to do. I don't know if I'm going to get verified on Coinbase or on Gemini and be able to have access to my Ethereum that I bought, or if they stole it from me. So I will keep you posted in the next video. But for now, thanks for watching. Keep drawing. And what's my ending tagline? So as always, keep drawing, and I'll catch you in the next video. Not happy face right now, but I'm gonna get it. I'm gonna get it.